This is one of the entrance gates to Indiana University. The view just past the gate. How neat is that? And what a beautiful setting. This looks like a friendly chap. Let's see who he is. I presume that is Herman B. Wells, Indiana University's 11th president and chancellor from 1962 to year 2000. There's some neat trails behind Swain Hall. They go into the woods. I wonder who these folks are supposed to be. Inside of the rock wall, we have a stream with sound effects. We've made it to a campus arboretum. It just happens to be raining a little bit.